What did you say? What did you say?
It's a good thing that I have a mom like you.
Why?
You always comfort me when I feel sad or ganyan.
Nobody deserves to be alone. And that's why I'm a mom. I always
And you're the best mom.
Oh, thank you, baby. That's why I am a mom, and I have to be here for you and Ate. Always, kahit may times na Mommy is, sometimes I get mad at you and Ate. Because that's not, when I get mad, that doesn't mean that I don't love you, ha? When I get mad, that only means that I'm so much love you and Ate. And I want you to be okay, and I want you to be corrected.
But sa
Okay?
birthday ko, ano feel mo?
I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. It will never happen
Ano
again.
feel mo sa birthday?
I'll make it up to you on your next birthday. We will plan it more happier.
When is my birthday naman?
October 1, next year ulit. Okay? So when Mommy is mad at you and Ate, that doesn't mean that I don't love you, ha? Okay? Sometimes Mommy needs to get mad so that you'll know that you have done something wrong. And Mommy is always here for you and Ate. Forever and ever. Okay? I'm the best mom? Huh? Why? How did you say that I'm the best mom?
Kasi you comfort me whenever I'm sad.
And that's it?
Yes.
What about I'm cooking the food that you like always?
Yeah, always.
And I'm baking the food that you like as well. You and Ate. No? Sometimes Ate said that she doesn't like what I baked, but she's going to eat it anyways. Right? Just like the brownie, she said she doesn't like it, but then she ate a lot a while ago at the hospital during the checkup, and she liked it.
She lied.
No, she's just sometimes pretending, but
She's speaking.
she's pretending, but I know that she does like it. I love you.
I love you.
I love you much.
I love you much more.
I love you more.
I love you more.
I love you much more.